Ootko ne nyt, katoppa. Oi, 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 se on...
Ne on valmiit.
Ne on siinä.
Are you tired of grilling sausages so often? Here is good alternative. Shrimp skewers! In Finland you can't find these black tiger shrimps in a common grocery. You need to go in a local Asian market to find these. The quality of these shrimps is out of this world. Shrimps are quickly frozen when captured, so these are not boiled and frozen like most shrimps. The recipe is really straightforward. We're going to make a marinade and then we are going to grill skewers. In marinade, we're going to chop 2 garlics and squeeze juice out of lemon. We're not going to use any plastic bags while doing this. This container is better, in my opinion. No plastic waste. Then we're going to add 1 deciliter of oil. This is rapeseed oil. And to give some kick to the marinade, I'm going to use this sriracha sauce. My kids are going to eat this also, so I'm just putting a little bit, but you can put more. Then we're going to put a little bit minced ginger and chop parsley. Use fresh one if available. And then just mix everything up. Best way to mix this is seal the lid and then give it a little bit shake, and there it is. Let it marinate for, let's say, 2 to 3 hours, and then you can put all the shrimps into skewers. Like so. Looking good. OptiGrill have this built-in seafood option, so we're going to use this. Do the preheat, and then when it's hot, put everything in. This is really fast way to cook, so it takes only 2 to 3 minutes, and then it looks like this. These black tiger prawns are really easy to peel and really tasty. Go and check it out. Best result, of course, using charcoal grill. And here is serving suggestion. Little bit crisp bread and salad and aioli. There you go. Enjoy it.